Hello and welcome guys, hope you are doing well. So today we'll see how you can manage your classes and the sections inside that. So for doing that you will have the admin access, then you can come under this site administration, then under courses you can see here manage classes and subjects. Here you can create a class. Okay, so let me come again. So first step you will have to come under site administration, then under courses, then manage class and subjects. Create class. If I click on this, I can create a class 1. Let's say this. Okay, so I have to put here the category ID number also. This will go inside this particular class, but in case you want to change, I want to make it on top, so I'll have to pick this one. So that's it. Now click on create this. Now you can see you have this class. So this is just a simple one. Let me edit this one as a, let me type here class this. Okay, class 1. So this is how you can create. Let me try creating another class, class 2. Again, I don't want to put this inside class 1. I have to make it on top. So I will create like this. Okay, so class 1 and class 2 I just created. Now you will find that under class you will see the multiple sections. So how you can do that? So to do that you will have to again come here and create class. You can type here section A. Under which class you have to define the section A. So I have to create inside class 1. Okay, so like this. And now if you come here you will find the hierarchy like this. Under class 1 you can see section 1 A, and you can create a section B also. Section B. You have to put here a category, unique category ID if you want to put, otherwise you can let it be as default. So this way you can create your class and the section inside that. So you can create section A, section B, and you can n number of sections you can create, and n number of classes you can create here. So that's it from this video. Hope you learn something and you will be using it. Thank you.